Over him. No one. You got it. Nobody. Ah! Damn it. Lost the ball. Nice shot. Yo. No one. Come. Oh, you're kidding me. Nice up, Marco. Alright, you got this. Over him. Yo. That's easy. Cut. Come on. Free ball. I go.
Nice save.
Alright, push me up.
Open up. Good call.
Oh my god. Nobody. I got it.
You. Oh!
Yours short.
You.
Nice, right?
Nice, sir.
Watch it.
Nice save.
I go. No, she shouldn't even touch.
Heads over. You got it.
Nobody.
You, short.
You got it.
Mark.
Oh! Nice shot.
I go. Good call.
You, out.
Ah!
Woo! Nice shot.
Grab that.
I go.
Oh, no.
Nobody.
Oh.
Go.
Fuck! Didn't mean to put that back. Here's. It's up. Over.
Over him. Yeah, nice touch, dude. Way to delay that. I thought you. I go. Yo, in. Nobody, go for it. Come on. Watch it. Nice.
What was I thinking?
Over him. Or hit straight through his block. Get up there. Come on. Over him. Good call. Nobody.
One. You. Good eye.
Shot over.
You got it, you got it, you got it, you got it.
Come on, help it! God damn it, my bad. Nobody. Watch it. Play the ball. Hey. That's how it goes. Yeah,
Damn right I did.
Doesn't take much for Brian on this.
First time more than
Hey!
So much hate right here.
All right, no more taping these games, man. Suck.